my beauties, it's your girl Cartier with another wig review. And yes, I know what I said in my last wig review. Your girl's gonna slow down with Sensational, but y'all, hear me well, okay? Just know that I know, okay, they have me in a chokehold. And I'm okay with it, but I'm a work in progress. I'm not perfect, I never claim to be. With that being said, to my new beauties, thank you so much for stopping by. And to my returning beauties, thank you so much for coming back and for the continued support. It means so much to me. Now for my new beauties, if you want to join the Beautihood, which I strongly recommend that you do, is 3 simple steps. Click the subscribe button, hit the bell, click all, so that way you always know when your girl posts. Very simple. I do ask also that you watch this video and any of my videos in its entirety, and then and only then, if you like what you saw, give your girl a thumbs up. Once you do that, the comments, I want you to go in the comments, give me love, constructive criticism, questions, because in the comments, that's where you and I really get to connect and build our bond. And you can also connect with other beauties, so we can really grow this Beautihood. But with that being said, if you want to see how your girl slayed, you know, laid, all this good stuff to this unit, what this unit is, stay tuned.
I think we gotta tell the truth. You and me don't need this attitude. I can tell you're ready for love. I don't really know what that means at all. Still trying to learn what it is to love. Still trying to figure out what happened to us. Things changed when you went back home without me. I heard all about you from those other guys. They tell lies. I don't wanna know if you have been with these other guys or other men. And I just wanna say I'm the one that stayed, I'm the one that prayed, I'm the one that paid for all their mistakes. Remember all the things I did. Remember how I was in bed. Oh baby. Remember how Remember what you said. Oh yeah. Holy matrimony is just a testimony. Tell me how it is when I'm really with you. How you really is, boo. Oh. Real one. African blood, I could give you like 6 sons and 100 daughters in the water. Yeah, I'm the wave, baby. Can we take it to the first date, baby? First time that we ever start to lay, baby. Oh my God, I just want you and me to go back to the first day that we met. But I have no regrets. To the first day, take me back to the first day. Take me back to the first day, before we ever start to late.
Beauties. Okay, so here's the unit. She's done, as y'all seen. Let's get into this. So this is the unit 5. This is the color. It's in Chunky Highlight 27. Now let's get into the first P, which is the product, the packaging. It comes in a box. The box is giving, you know, neutrals, like, because the slogan is lay so thin it looks like skin. So it's supposed to, like, I feel like the packaging is supposed to give you like neutral skin like, which it definitely does. Also, what I like about the packaging is it's full of necessary information. Like, it's on the packaging, so you don't have to go hunting for it. The other thing too is the stock card. Stock cards are very important when you're having wig units, because they, especially when they're informative. So we're gonna just go through this one real quick. So first thing, the next thing we're gonna go into before we get into the stock card is the price point. Price point in this one, first of all, I get my units, and like this one, from, as always, hairsofly.com. It's my favorite site to get my units from. And on the site, this unit retails for $39.99, which is great. And let's get into the stock card now. So, and now that's gonna take us to product. The product in itself, this is 100% premium fibers. It is heat compatible up to 400 degrees. I always say, please refrain from touching that. That is just in my expertise, in my experience. Let's get into the lace. The lace is 20% a larger grade, which gives it that more skin-like appearance. It's 20% thinner lace. It shows more skin, again, which makes it look more natural, makes it easier to melt and blend. It also dissipates light, which causes it to have a matte finish, not shiny. Then there's also stronger, reinforced, tear-resistant lace. The cap itself, it is the hairline is very, very natural, very nice. You do, if you want to do some work to it, you can, but you don't necessarily need to. The cap, this actual cap construction itself, it is a breathable mesh cap. It has silicone lining to secure glueless installs, and it is a standard cap construction, which you have 2 combs here in the front, you have a comb in the back. It comes with the adjustable straps in the back, but in addition to that, it comes with an adjustable band, which is really, really nice for more security. What else is there for this unit? So I will say, now let's get into the styling portion of this unit and things like that. So this one I did apply heat to, you know, kind of, like I said, like to kind of lay this, to just give it a little bit of va-va-voom. And I still wanted it to be, I wanted to kind of lay this way, but not look like it's apart, if that, more effortless. And it did take the heat well. I still wanted to maintain the curls, which it did. Again, because this is a curly type of unit, you want to make sure you do not manipulate this unit, or do as little manipulation as possible, meaning running your fingers through it, no combs, no brushes, because the more you manipulate it, the more it's going to cause tangles, the more you're going to cause frizz, and it's just going to be unmanageable. So you kind of want to just let this do what it does. Style it and let it be. The color, it grew on me. Like, I really, really like this color. I actually love this unit. It is very, very big hair. So if you like big hair, this is your girl. She is long as hell, because I'm a big back girl, and normally long wigs do not look long on me, and this one looks long on me. She is very soft. I do like this unit a lot, which leads me in to my final review, which is it a slay or stay away? You could kind of get it. This is a slay. Yes, I definitely think that she is one you can have in your collection. You won't be upset. Yeah. And so, with that being said, go to Hair So Fly, get yourself this wig. You go there, let them know your girl sent you, And if you get it, this unit, you won't be mad. And that's it for this review. I tried to keep it as simple as possible, but as always, I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I hope you learned something. I hope you was feeling it. But as always, remember, true beauty is limitless. Stay beautiful and be kind. Until next time. Bye, y'all.